Okay.
All right.
We're back.
We are back, people. I know. You missed these little mini segments. Yes, you did.
Mm-hmm.
And nothing says St. Patty's Day like an Irish car bomb.
Oh, my stomach bubbling.
I'm leaning heavily into going to a white university with this one. Okay, because that's where I learned about it. All right. Go Dogs, as in University of Washington.
That's
Seattle.
just nasty.
So, in case you're like, what the heck is an Irish car bomb? Let me enlighten you, okay? An Irish car bomb is essentially Guinness beer and Bailey's Irish cream. However, keep in mind, we've been substituting lately with LS cream liqueur, okay? So that's what we're going to do. So basically what happens is we will fill our glasses with our Guinness beer. Then we will fill our shot glasses with the LS cream. We will then drop this into the beer, and then we will chug for our lives, because if you don't, it will curdle. So she hasn't even made any sound, like she hasn't even said anything. She's just been making sounds.
Because it's nasty. Oh, look how dark it is. We got to pour the whole thing?
We're chugging it, bro. And keep in mind, this glass is a little bit large, as you can see. So even though this is a full, well, that's hella funny. It's an 11.2 fluid ounce. It's not even a full 12 ounce. That actually kind of made me chuckle.
I have no words.
Okay.
Good child.
I mean, okay, now my wrist hurts.
Oh, wait, I was about to do this, but then I said,
Don't do that.
No.
Don't do that.
Yeah, no.
You taking us back to them nasty name drink episodes.
Do you do it with your eyes closed?
Hell.
Do you do it while your eyes are open? Do you just, well, everybody has a different technique. Like, what do you do?
I mean, do you grasp it like that? You know, okay, sorry. Wow. By the way, this is gonna be messy. So all the cute girl shit is out of the window with this one.
Oh, this smells potent.
So keep in mind, we gotta chug it.
Okay.
Ready?
So you just drop it in.
So what we will do is we'll you gotta don't necessarily drop it from above, kind of like guide it in there, because I don't want it to like necessarily shatter, splash too bad. But yeah. Okay, you ready? Ooh.
Oh. I can't take it anymore. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Shit.
Oh my god. Ooh. 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 Hey yo. It's curdle already.
I mean, I did pretty good for somebody who don't drink beer. I don't want this anymore.
It's hey yo.
Oh shit. Tina.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
I just need it all out because it's like stuck right.
Yeah, I'm not fucking with this. Look at that. It's curdling.
Oh, that's nasty.
So that's the reason you have to chug it, because it'll curdle. Ooh, Lord.
Hercules.
I'm gonna be burping the rest of the night. Like that's literally.
I did pretty well, I think, in my book.
No, okay. You chugged at least half of that. I think it's. Keep in mind, there's a whole shot glass in here.
Yeah.
So even though it looks like, oh, bitch, she didn't do like she did. Okay.
I did it. I tried.
Okay. So was this your first Irish car bomb experience? Oh,
Yeah.
it's probably gonna be her last.
Probably, yeah. Cause,
She probably just gonna stick to doing shots of Jameson.
there you go. Because this, it wasn't.
It taste wise, it's not bad, right?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
Here's the thing. Okay, so I don't like Guinness beer because it's a stout, and I'm not like a huge stout fan. But it has, if you noticed, or if you attempted to notice, it has a little bit of a coffee note to it.
Oh, that's what that. It wasn't that.
Well, the LS cream enhances that, but the Guinness naturally has that take to it.
Okay.
So whether you're doing Bailey's or substituting with another cream liqueur, it's gonna pick up on those like coffee notes. So it's almost like, I don't know, chugging an iced coffee.
Beer style.
How many of you back in the day did the Irish car bomb?
Or still do it.
You know what? Yeah, because I mean, if you still rolling like that, that's cool too.
I know some of y'all still living y'all yesteryear.
I for sure cannot do that on a regular basis because, for one, I'm gonna be peeing. Two, I'm gonna be burping the rest of the night.
Oh, damn. I'm sorry.
Like, real talk, it was like stuck, like,
Yeah.
right up in here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't look at it now. It look nasty.
No. Pour a shot glass in there, marinating.
Yeah, but we'll get it out. It's fine. We'll get it out. But yeah, so we're just curious, how many of you, whether it's around St. Patty's Day or otherwise, I mean, I really didn't do it any other time. But if you just like, yeah, Irish car bomb, how many of you still doing that? Let me know. Because, or, you know, what other Irish traditions, what other St. Patty's Day inspired beverages do you consume? You know what I'm saying?
This ain't it for me though. This ain't it.
I think that this is a fun group activity. Like, if you want to do like a race
or a game, or
like who's gonna chug it first? You know, you put some money on it real quick. It's cute. It's fun and cute. I'm still burping. So anyway,
just make sure you chug it. If not, it's gonna curdle like this. You can start seeing it.
That was a winner. That was a winner. Oh wow!
But you know, let us know what you think. If you have any alternatives or whatever, we're always down to try it. Even though we might be apprehensive. We
might be apprehensive, but we will probably try it. We'll probably try it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and let us know what other fun St. Patty's Day ideas are on your docket. We'll be back
for some more.
I'm gonna be burping. I need a burp. Bye.